there, RecTech family, Chef Greg with you. Today we're doing a salted caramel maple bread pudding. So I have two loaves of challah bread, and challah bread is a great choice because it's got some eggs in there, so it's really rich. We're gonna go ahead and I've had this sitting out for about a day or two, so it's a little on the dry side, and that's what you want. You want older stale bread so that it absorbs all of the delicious goodies that you're about to put in there. So we're gonna take a cheat, and instead of making salt caramel from scratch, we're going to use a ice cream product, save a good bit of time. And these pieces of bread just kind of rip up, small pieces, you can cube them up. So I have my, my cubed bread. I'm going to go ahead and add in 6 eggs, about a half a cup of sugar or so, about a half a cup of pure maple syrup. We're going to add in about 8 ounces of this salted caramel, and then we're going to add just enough milk to moisten the dried bread. So we're going to keep stirring this up. Make sure everything is well incorporated. So that looks pretty good. I've got a cast iron pan. I went ahead and smeared a little bit of butter on the outside of the pan, and we'll go ahead and see you at the RecTech. All right, so our salted caramel bread pudding is done. This is fantastic. All you need is a couple scoops of vanilla ice cream, maybe butter pecan, it's my favorite, would be great. If there's any extra caramel sauce, feel free to drizzle over the top, but my favorite thing to do is dive in the side, nice and crispy. It smells great. Stupid delicious.